So what's going on, everyone? So today we're gonna be doing the gumball video that I said I'd be doing, but wait a second. So I got 2 nickels. My brother's banging on the wall outside. I got 2 nickels, so we're gonna get gum. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna stick a nickel in, then I'm gonna twist it. Let's see what color we got. We got yellow. And then let's stick the other one, guys. And we got red. So let's taste test the yellow and the red. Yellow first. If you haven't seen my other gum video at Honor's house, it's up there, and you should know that yellow's my favorite. But one of them, and I like red, blue, and white. Yellow's pretty good. I took the other one out. Now I'm gonna try the red. That's good. The yellow one's pretty good, one of my favorites. Now let's try them together. Really good, guys, but yeah, so that's what my gumball version looks like. It's on the restaurant. And yeah, and just remember, if the videos don't have music or they're gaming videos, most of the time they're not gonna have music because either they're too long because I like making videos for you guys. Like, if they're past 2 minutes on my thing, it doesn't let me put music. So if I stop them at 2 minutes and something seconds, it'll let me put music. So that's gonna be it for the video. Check out Crazy Gamer, Austin Souls, and Connor, and subscribe and tell me what you want me to do in my next video. Bye. And this gum's good. Bye.